Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create CRUD operation with Laravel 12 starter kit Livewire. So let's get started with an example. So let me go here and create fresh Laravel 12 application with starter kit. Okay, so I will say Laravel new. Okay, and now it will ask you your project name. So I will say kit Livewire. Okay, and then I will choose Livewire starter kit. Okay, and then I will choose default Laravel authentication, and then I will choose testing framework paste. Okay, hit enter, and now let's wait a moment to download all the dependencies. Okay, it will also download all dependencies with create run the migrations and create the app key and everything they will set up, so you don't have to do any manual run command. Okay, now it will ask you like, do you want to run npm? Yes. And npm build, so I want yes, so it will install the npm and run build. Okay, and then everything is fine. Okay, now let me go and open to my editor. So I will go here and open the project. So get the refresh, and I will say kit livewire, click on it. Okay, and then let me go here, and here it's loading. Okay, and here let me go to the env. First let me configure the database. I want to use mysql, so I will use mysql, and then I will remove this entire comment, and I will use Laravel 12 livewire. Okay, and then I will say root, save it. Okay, and now let me go to the project. So I will go kit livewire, and then I will run php artisan migrate. Okay, migration is running, and let me go to the table plus. Okay, and here I'm going to use connect. Okay, and then you can see that all the tables are created in my database. Okay, now let me go and run the application php artisan serve. Okay, and now let me go here and go to the local host. Okay, and you can see that project are running, and let me register one user. So I will go Hardik Savani, and then I will use email. Enter the password. Okay, now hit enter. You can see that register with new starter kit livewire. Okay, so now what I will do, I will add another menu over here that's called post, and I will create insert update delete for the post module. Okay, so first of all I will create the table model, and then I will create the route. So let me go here, and I will run one command, mac migration. I will say create post table. Okay, so it's created new migration. So let me go to the database. Okay, go to the migrations, and here let me go, and here I will say string data type. Okay, and I will use title. Same thing, I will use text, and then I will take body column. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me run the migration. So I will say php artisan migrate. Okay, so migration is run, and let me go to the table plus. Yeah, and refresh it, and you can see that there is a post table with the title and body column. Okay, now let me create the model for it. So I will say php artisan mac model, and I will keep post. Okay, and now let me go here and go to the models post, and here I will say protected, and then fillable. Here I will be define the title and body column name. Okay, so I can create and update easily, I can work it. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, so now added properly. Now what I will do, I will create one route. So let me go here to the routes. Okay, go to the web.php, and I will copy entire this route of the dashboard what by default created by starter kit. So here I will say post, and view will be the post, url will be the post, and name I will be give post. Save it. Okay, Now let me go to the resource view, and then if I go to the components, layouts, app, and we are using the sidebar. So let me go here, and here I will add the link first. Okay, so I will keep the home icon doesn't matter. So route will be post. Okay, and post, and then I will use post. Save it. Now let me go here. It doesn't affect anything, so let me go here, and I will run npm run dev. Okay, so it's runtime all the run the development. Okay, and if I click on the post, you can see that post view is not found because we haven't created it. Okay, so let me go here and let me create one. Okay, copy this. Okay, and let me go and create one post.blad file. Okay, and then paste it. Okay, and here I will just say like h1 hello. Save it. Okay, and if I refresh it, you can see that hello. So that means we created simple over here post blade file. Okay, so let me go here and put it the proper title. So what I will do, I will go here, and here already defines the title how we can give. So copy this and paste it over here. Okay, and here I will say post. Okay, save it. Now let me go here, you can see that post, and here I will change the message, manage your all the post. Okay, save it. You can see that here I given the message. Okay, now what I will do, so here what I will do, I will create one Livewire component that's called post, and here will display all the post. Okay, and later I will create post create and post edit Livewire component as well. So let me go here, and first of all I will create php artisan mac Livewire. I will use Livewire command, and then I will say post. Okay, and now let me go here, and it's created over here Livewire. Okay, post. Okay, you can see over here same thing. If I go here into the resource Livewire, inside Livewire they created the post blad file over here. Okay, now what I will do, I will keep here like hello, save it. Okay, and then inside my post here I'm going to say I will use Livewire tag post, and then yeah, save it. Okay, and let's see it's including. Yeah, you can see that it's coming over here. Okay, now what I will do, I will keep white so it looks great. So let me go to the settings and appearance. I will make it like light. Okay, go to the post. Yeah, now it's look perfect. Okay, now let me go here and then go to the post. Okay, here I am going to add first a table. So what I will do, you can go to the Tailwind CSS and do your own table, but I will use directly from the snippet. Okay, that I created from the Tailwind CSS. Save it. Okay, now you can see that perfect simple layout over here with the, you can see over here action, and if I go to the action button as well. Okay, so save it. Okay, now what I will do, I will keep as it is right now this one, but first I will create one more button over here that's called create post. So Laravel 12 introduce Flux with the Livewire, so you need to go to the official website over here and then go to the docs, and yeah, let's wait a moment to go over here. Yeah, and then I will say model. Okay, so go to the model. Okay, and then you can see over here they already provided the example how to open the model. So I will go and copy this. Okay, and here I will just say paste it, and let's check it. Okay, first let me go here, you can see that edit profile. If I click on it, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so what I will do over here, okay, so I will create, I will just give the name that's called create post, and I will change the name, say create post, copy this. Okay, and then paste it over here and save it. Okay, now what I will do, I don't want to do everything in the same components, same component of Livewire. So I want to create separate component for create and create and for the edit. Reason is that because when you are doing something like query with the pagination or anything, then every time it's load, every time it's render from the this component. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to create the separate component for the create. So what I will do, go here and I will create another component, php artisan mac Livewire, and I will create post, create, hit enter. Okay, so now you can see that they created another component, post create. Okay, over here blade file, and same thing it's created over here. The next you can see over here the class. Okay, so what I will do, go to the post, and here I will be call Livewire post create. Okay, and save it. Okay, and this code I want to just move to my this blade file. Okay, paste it and save it. Okay, and now let me remove this entire thing, save it. Okay, now let me go here and refresh it, and let's see, create post, it is working, so it's open. So let me go here and go to the create, and here I will say create post. Okay, and here I will say details for the post. Okay, save it. Okay, and I will remove this. Okay, one, and I will keep title. Okay, and you can see over here there like Laravel 12 using flux, so it's using the flux input and it's easy to use. Your title, save it. Okay, and now let me go refresh it and click on create. You can see that there is only create post, and same thing I will use another okay, control D, and here I will say text area for body. So I will say body label, and then enter your body, save it. Okay, if I click on, you can see over here. Okay, so now there is a, you can see over a create post. Okay, and proper the model with in save changes, that I will say simply save. Okay, here may be the problem, so that's why I will just remove this one, save it, click on it. Yeah, still this width is an issue, so let me go, maybe we can set up width will be, minimum width will be 100 or 150 maybe. Click on it. Yeah, that's nothing, maybe with the issue. Okay, let me make it fix that one first. Yeah, right now I'm just adding, let's add the details, so it's make the width, so I'm not going to big worry on that. So you can see that now perfect. Okay, let all the details. Okay, save it. Okay, and now if I go create, you can see that. Okay, now proper our model is open and with the create post. Okay, now let me go here, we created a separate model for it. So what I will do over here, go here and create public. Okay, name, and then I will define body. Okay, two variables over here. Okay, and then I need to bind with the input. So let me go here, create, and then I will say like wire model, and with the title. Okay, title, and then let me go here, and here I will say dollar title, not name, save it. Okay, let me go here, and same thing I will need to bind with model, and I will say body, save it. Okay, and then I will create one more method, wire click event. I will say submit. Okay, and save it. Okay, now let me go here, and then here I will create one method. Okay, function, and then I will say submit method. Okay, remove this one, and then here first I will add the validation with the title is required, same thing, body is required for now, and if everything is fine, then I will dd and request body. Okay, save it, and let's see. If I refresh it, click on create, if I click on save, you can see that title field is required, body is required. If everything is fine, then you can see that body is triggered over here. Okay, so what I want to do the next. Okay, so what I will do, I will create the post. Okay, so I will create post, create, and then title will be title, and then body will be body, and after create, I will just say reset. I will create the reset function, so that way I can name and title, name and body will be reset again. Okay, so I will create one function, public function, and I will say reset, and here I will say this title will be the name. Okay, body, title and body will be empty. Save it. Okay, so now let me go here, refresh it. Okay, yeah, there is a reset, must be compliant with the reset. Let me go here. What is the problem? This reset, maybe something is problem over here. Public function reset, seems everything fine. I will, because reset is the predefined method, so reset form, save it. Yeah, why I don't know, save it. Okay, now let me go here and go to the post, create reset. This must be with, yeah, I just need a reset form because it's predefined method. Refresh, it's everything fine. So let me go and I will create first sample, first post. Okay, and then post body. Okay, and if I click on save and like do nothing and but empty the title and body, so let me go here in my postman. Okay, and let me go to the table plus and refresh. You can see that it's created one record over here, sample post, first post, and sample like body. Okay, so that means our record is created. Now what I need to do, I need to close this model. Okay, so how can we close? So let's use the flux method. So let me go here and you can see over here how we can close it. So I will use this method. So let me go, and then at the end I will use flux model, and we need to give the model name. So I will use like create post and close it. So that's really cool feature from the flux. I will use flux. Okay, and save it. Okay, now let me go here and refresh it, click on create, and I will say sample post to post body. Okay, and click on save. Yeah, you can see that now our post is created and model is closed. So let me go here and all the post let me displays as well over here. Okay, so let me go here, go to the post, and here I will be use public variable that's called post. Okay, and then I will create one function. Okay, mount function. So we'll use mount. So once our and dollar this post and get all the post, save it. Okay, and now let me go to the post. Okay, so once this component will be load, at that time get all the post from the component, sorry, from the model, and then assign to the post variable. So let me go to the post, and here what I will do, for each loop. Okay, and then I will get all the post as a post. Okay, and then I will say and for each loop. Okay, and I will put over here, save it. Okay, and let me go, you can see over here, so that means we have a two records. So let me go to the table plus, refresh, there is a two table, a two row. Okay, and you can see that two records. So let me go here and now let me change the value. So I will use dollar post id, and then I will take the title, dollar post title. Okay, same thing, I will get the body, dollar post and body, save it. Okay, now let me go here, you can see that sample first post, sample post 2. So that we created a two records over here. Okay, now what I will do, I will create another post. So let me go here and test 3, not 4, 3, and body 3. Okay, click on save. Okay, now it's like created record. So let me go to the table plus, refresh, you can see, but it's not affect this because that means our parent component is load only one time because we use the mount method. So what I will do, you can see here, so what I will do, when our record is created, then I will dispatch one event. Okay, so what I will do, this dispatch, and then I will say reload post. Okay, so that means we will create our parent component one method that's we will use like event. So let me go here, and here I will be use on first. Okay, so I will use Livewire on attribute, save it. Okay, and then I will create one function over here, and that's called reload post. Remove this. Okay, and here same thing I will do again. Copy this. Okay, and here I just need to define that. Okay, on. Okay, and then what I need to do, into bracket I will say reload post. Okay, save it. Yeah, and then let me see. Okay, yeah, on we already use, and let me go here, refresh it. We got 3, and let me go, and I will say test 4. Then I will say test 4. Save it. You can see that now reload again because we dispatch the event and parent component reload again. So that means when you create or validation, it's not loading again and again the same module, but now you can see create is done. So let me go here now and go for the edit. So let me go, and I will add the button from the Flask. So let me go here and tag one button. Yeah, go to the buttons, and then yeah, go here, and I will use this primary for now. So copy this. Okay, and then go to the, let me close this create. Okay, for the create as well, because create task is done. So let me go and copy this, paste it over here. Here I will say edit, save it. And now let me go here. You can see that edit button is there. Okay, and let me go here and make it small one, like yeah, this one may be suitable. Copy this, size will be same, variant will be primary, size will be small. Save it. And yeah, there is a problem, so let me go size SM, not small. Save it. Yeah, now fine. So I want to use what we use over here in create. So button will be default, not primary. So remove this one, save it. Yeah, perfect. Now add it. Okay, so now what I want to do, when you click on it, it should be again trigger, like open the pop-up, and there should be a title, and body should be editable. So I will create the separate component for it, so every time it's not rendering the parent component. Okay, so let me go and create new Livewire component. Okay, PHP artisan Mac Livewire, and I will post, edit, hit enter, and now you can see that it's created a new component over here, post edit. Okay, so what I will do, it's same thing, it will also call over here. So I will say edit. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me go here, and for the create I will copy the entire code from the create and paste it over here, and I will give the name edit post. Here also I will say edit post, save it. Okay, and now let me go here. Yeah, and then let me go to the post. Okay, and here I will be create one more method. So I will say wire click. Okay, and then I will say edit, and into the bracket I will pass post ID. Okay, save it. Okay, now let me go to the post, and here let me create one function that's called edit. I will get the ID. Okay, and simple, first I will display the ID, save it. Okay, now let me go here and refresh it, click on edit. It's nothing. Let me go here, why it's nothing, refresh it. Let me go here and click, let me pass manually, save it, refresh, click on it. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, so that means we are not correctly passing this ID. So let me go, maybe I need to use something like this way, save it, refresh, and click on edit. Yeah, you can see that if I click on this, I got these two. Okay, so now what I need to do, because we created a separate component for the edit. So what I need to do, same thing, I need to dispatch one event to the edit component. So what I will do over here, this dispatch, and then I will say edit post with the id. Okay, save it. So go to the edit class, and here I will be use on attribute of the Livewire, and then here I will get function. Okay, we'll say edit post. Okay, and with the id, and let me define with on, and then I will define the name of the event. Okay, post, save it, and let's see if we got over here. Okay, so I will go dd, and I will say edit post. Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, now let me go here, refresh it. Yeah, click on edit, you can see that edit post. So that means our dispatch event is working fine. So now what I will do, go here, we already pasted the code of edit post model. So same thing what we did over here, plus close. So we need to show them in the edit. Okay, so let me go here, and here I will be remove this one, and here I will be use plus model. Okay, show, and then I will remove this one, edit post, save it. Okay, now let me go refresh it, go to the edit, you can see that edit post is coming over here. Okay, so that means it's work perfectly fine. Okay, now what I will do, I will same thing, I will define over here public variable. So that means for the title, for the body, and for the post underscore id, I don't use the underscore. So same thing here, I will say this post id will be id, and then I will say dollar this title will be, I will get title from the post. So what I will do over here, I will say post find from the id, and then dollar post. Okay, so I will run the one query to find, and let me use this post over here, use app model post. Okay, then here I will be give the title dollar post title, and same thing I will do for the body. Okay, save it. Okay, now let me go here and refresh it, and if I click on edit, you can see that sample2 post body, close it, click on it, you can see that now that means working perfectly fine. Okay, now what I will do, when you click on the save, so instead of the save I will use proper the naming of that button update, and when you click on it I will use update method. So copy this. Okay, and let me go here, let me close this, yeah, let me go to the edit. Here I will be create one method, and that's called update. Remove this one, and first I will add validation. So title will be required, body will be required. If everything is fine, then I will get again the post from the post find. Okay, I will find post from this post id, and then I will say post title will take from the title, and then take body from the body, and if everything fine, then it's saved. Okay, after saved, what I need to do, I need to close this model. Okay, copy this, and I will say edit and close. Okay, after close, what I need to do, again refresh our, like reload the post. So what I will do, I will go this and dispatch reload all the post. Okay, same thing what we did for create, save it. Okay, now let me go here, refresh, click, yeah, and simple say edit, and click on update, you can see that edit. So that means our edit is also working perfectly fine with this. Okay, so same thing, if I go to the edit, and I will just add edit ed and click on update, you can see that our edit is also working fine. So next what I will do, I will add another button that's called delete. So let me go here and go to the again our parent component. So copy this, remove this one, paste it, and here I will say delete, and go to the flux document. And then you can see that if you want to mark the dancer, so I will copy this environment, copy this, and this variant I want to put over here, save it. And now if you can see that, like, edit and delete. Okay, so when you delete, that should be asked for the confirmation. So what I will do, I will first create the delete, okay, delete method, and I'm passing the post ID on it. Okay, and then what I will do, go to the documentation, and there is a, if I go here in the scroll down, for the model, not for the button, so let me go here, go to the model, okay, and then they already provided the confirmation model. So let me go here, scroll down, click on delete. You can see that it is asking, so let me go and copy this entire code. Okay, copy this, and after edit I will put that. Okay, so delete profile, so I'm not going to say delete profile, delete post. Okay, and here delete post, here I will say delete post. Okay, save it. So once I will hit on this button, then it should be asked like, do you want to remove this? So what I will do, copy this, go to our main parent function, let me go here. Okay, and here I will say delete, and I will say id. Okay, and then what I will do, I will use same flux model and delete post. Okay, I don't require to pass id, and just open it. Okay, save it. Okay, now what I will do, go here and yeah, refresh it. If I click on delete, yeah, it's something problem with that, open, yeah, could not found the class open, because we are going to use flask. Yeah, flask, and sorry, not open, show, it's a show class. Save it, refresh, and click on delete. You can see that delete post, it's asking you it delete project. So let me change the wording for it as well. So close this. Okay, and then let me change delete post. Okay, save it. Okay, now what I will do, when you click on it, you can see delete post. If I enter on the, like, click on the delete post, then that post should be delete. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one method, click over here, and I will say destroy. Okay, I will create one more method, destroy, save it, and go to our main component. And here what I will do, function destroy method. Okay, remove this. So first of all, what I will do, I will take another variable over here, that's called post id. Okay, and then when you click on it, I will store this post id to this variable. So id, save it, and here I am going to say post find from this post id and delete. After delete, okay, I will simply call reload post. So let me go here, and you can see that reload post, this function I'm going to call. Okay, this reload post, and also I'm going to close this delete model. Okay, so let me go and copy this, and I will say hide it. Okay, first call this line, save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh, and if I click on delete, yes, yeah, there is a problem with what, like, hide is not method. So let me go here, maybe the problem with that, close, not hide, sorry for that. So let me go and I will say close, save it. Okay, and go here, refresh, click on delete, you can see that. Okay, so now you can understand how easily we can create the insert, update, delete with the starter kit Livewire. So we can use the flask. Okay, flask. And I hope guys you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys.